the new culvert's going on. And then all this becomes filled with between tree wads and stone, and all this gets filled in, and then you got your drainage area, I think, up there, right?
Yeah, your drainage is on the left-hand side. There's really not on that upper dam right there. The only work you got is on the back side. It gets armored with riprap on the back side. Those three culverts are staying.
Yep.
We're not pulling any of those out or anything. The bulk of your work is inside here and right here. And some drainage right here. And your outdoor classroom, of course.
When do we allow to
That outdoor classroom's all over
That's
here.
what I was just talking to him about. So I brought a longer rod. I want to shoot that low-level outlet again and get an exact height on it, because on these plans it's saying that low-level outlet is at 107.
Yeah, he was just looking at that number.
And our footing grade, top of footing is 107, which we need to be down about 105 because you got 1 foot of stone and the footing's 1 foot thick. So that's top of footing is 107, which isn't really jiving with what they have for numbers here.
Gentlemen, how are you?
And if you go over there, I'll walk it with you. That is deep down to the bottom. I walked up that culvert.
Originally, I was thinking about where the culvert's got to go, knock out the middle, you know, do your little demo, and then put a pipe right down the middle of the culvert, because it's got to be a no bottom culvert, you know, like an open bottom.
Yep.
And
We gotta dig around that though.
Not necessarily. You got your footings on either side, so you could theoretically leave the pipes in the middle and still do your work on either side of them to get your footings in, because it's only sitting on a stone footing. It's a precast itself. You know what I'm saying?
cinch out here to pump if you have to, you know, maybe.
Well, the problem I see us happening here a little bit is going to be we're so deep that we're going to have water in a hole that we're going to take out.
Nah, I don't know.
So you know what I mean? Like you don't see it in Falmouth? What's the difference in here and Falmouth?
Falmouth, you had all that late's coming in on you.
Yeah,
if you go over there, it's a joke. It's not even highlighted.
The water's coming up from this way.
Yeah.
No, the water comes in from here. It goes that way. You know.
So I'm looking at it backwards.
Yeah,
Okay,
so-
sorry.
Let's see that middle one.
We're supposed to salvage you, right?
Yeah. We're only brick wrapping the back door. That's it. That's it. We're like cleaning this up. Yeah. We can walk down there through the
Yeah, let's-
spillway. This is where we're doing all the ripples, like root wads, everything, all right down through here. Right there. Did you already spray?
No.
Okay.
No. Okay, yeah. I get in the truck and drive and stop. Mark it out.
Holy shit.
We get real bored down here.
Oh, yeah. He will. Once you understand the rock, you understand the job.
I think it's a big sea so like that too. Like we're doing.
Yeah, it's not that. Only a couple of areas is really complex. Other than that, it's not that.
We do have hard bottom elevations on the plan.
Huh?
Too.
Yeah, it's all hard bottom,
Yeah.
so it's not.
I gotta pull trigger on that 225.
Yeah, I'll be mine.
I know. I'm prolonging that until I get a call.
Yeah, we need more equipment. You're not gonna do 40 million with the fleet we have.
Yeah, well.
So we need double the people.
Yeah, we need equipment to hit the
You know
bars.
a help situation.
It's on the way. It's right off the highway.
You're probably gonna give us a heart attack. All right, that's fine, Mikey. We've got enough. I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Bright and early.
Oh yeah, because we got one meeting. I got Oscar coming in because when I realized when I went to go put the excavator on the barge, we don't have that type of insurance.
If we get permission before the pre-con, and we're here able to dry it out ahead of time, by the time the pre-con comes, it'll just be a stream.
Yeah.
And the banks will start to harden up.
Yep.
So we're not
Exactly.
digging mud, we're digging actual
And that's
earth.
our only access across
You know,
the
and the only thing that we gotta figure out too is that hard bottom is not, Mike says it's all column up.
There is a hard bottom on the plans. It has 2 elevations in each spot. And if you look at the bottom, it has parentheses. There's a sediment elevation and then a hard bottom elevation.
Gotcha.
So, as long as their survey was correct, there should be a hard bottom.
So that'll be the tell all. If it's a hard bottom, then you're hitting the oil.
Yeah.
And you literally just dig. I don't care if you over dig. You can put the machine there, put the muck back in the hole, and you over dig after, and be done with it. It's definitely going to be something like that because if they're putting the root wads and stuff in, it's because it's soft.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, does this have the lifts on top of the rod? It's like down the pit
So, yes.
with the
Down there,
the templates, the fabric.
Yep.
The guys have plenty of experience in that.
Okay.
Something like that, what we'll do is probably throw a bunch of labors when we start here. Just get a labor,
Yeah.
a couple guys, and have the labors run them.
Yeah.
You know, like I said, keep up. Jeff get the plans.
Yep.
So he'll start reading up on this one, and you guys just take communication. You've been reading the specs and shit too, right?
Yeah.
I want him to kind of get brush up on it too, so you guys know what to do. So, and then Mike's idea with the H-beam, H-piles, and all that, that's a great idea. The only problem is the bottom is just such a big cut. You can only go so far up. So you're gonna the benching is gonna be a problem. That's what I was saying. You're gonna have multiple benches.
I went down there. I'm like,
It's gonna be.
first thought of that, I'm like, it's a big cut.
We need to see what that material is.
You're able to get down and around.
If we can bench this.
Yeah, but if it's cobble, I can tell you right now, you're not driving H-piles.
No, I know, but it's also not gonna get.
Yeah, but it's all man-made.
Too.
That whole area is all man-made, so I don't see it being like, oh, like there's ledge here, there's this,
I
there's
get that
that.
part, but what I meant was like, you know, when it's all rocky, you can't just drive something down straight. You need this H-beam straight. So
Right.
And then what I was trying to say to him is you can only go so high with that. So if it's a 30-foot cut, I'm just throwing numbers out there, you're going to be doing 8 foot, 8 foot, 8 foot, 8 foot, or something like that. You're not going to be able to stick a, you're going to put the 16-foot H-beam 8 feet in the ground so you can trust it. You know what I mean? So that's going to become a driving scenario, a pile scenario, you get what I mean? You can always vibrate those in like we did, me and Joe did over there. We actually did my hand rotate the bucket to get them in, and it held back a ton of water. We drove them in 6-8 feet. Well, I thought about that. I thought about instead of doing, we would rent steel plates, road plates.
Yeah.
8 by 20, and I would just have you drive the long way, drive it 4 feet. Bench again, drive another, like whatever. It's easier than doing with trench boxes because the vibrator will send it. You know, we've done that. Or even if we get shorter ones with Joe's, remember we did it in Falmouth?
Yeah, when you
we
get
did
on
a small one.
you gotta, again, Mike was saying, you gotta be very tight on the
That's
cutting.
it. With the trench box, you
Box,
gotta cut, yeah. Then
Drive
fill
it
it
down,
up.
fill it up. It's
So-
obviously, I think it's great. I think that's ideal.
I agree, but at the same time, we're trying to keep
We're
a tight
limiting
hole,
the
right? So in
materials,
order to
yeah.
keep a tight hole, you need to have that thin, like piles, but without driving the.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. Luciano's Excavation. We build leaders.